Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The question is from RCQ Philippines. So here is about the question. For what value of x does 2x minus 13, 2x over 3 plus 6 and x represent length of an isosceles triangle? So now I will show you the technique how to answer. We know that isosceles triangle, they should have two lengths with the same value. So in this situation, I will divide into three scenarios. The first one, that's about 2x minus 13 and equal to 2x over 3 plus 6. The next one, that should be about 2x over 3 plus 6 equal to x, and 2x minus 13 equal to x. So we put the value in here. So we put 2x over 3 go to the left, number negative 13 go to the right. So you got about 4x over 3 equal to 19. So we got about x equal to 57 over 4. So we input this number go in three equations in here, and we got about the triple number. That should be about 31 over 2, 31 over 2, and 57 over 4. Now let's go to the next one. X go to the left, number 6 go to the right. So you got about negative 1 x over 3 and negative number 6. So you got about x equal to number 18 and the value in here. So you got about 18, 18 and 12. And the last one, you got about x equal to 13. So you got about 44 over 3, 13, 13. This one is about 23. That's the end. Thank you for watching.